What's going on, Domination Crew? It's Rico, and today we're going to be talking about how you guys can go from $0 to $10,000 all while drop shipping on Amazon. So guys, let's not waste any time. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Rico. I'm one half of two dudes. As you can see on the shirt, Dan is not here right now, but hey, you got me and you just have to deal with it. We generally talk about Amazon, dropshipping, FBA, e-commerce, Shopify, a little bit here and there. But if you like e-commerce and entrepreneurial type stuff, then make sure you go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, all that good jazz. So, for all you people that are our regulars, you know what time it is. It's time to get right into it. So, guys, we're gonna talk about how you can go from $0 to $10,000 a month on Amazon, all while private label dropshipping. Okay? It's not near as difficult as you guys are thinking. We get a ton of questions on this. It drives me absolutely nuts because there's so much misinformation out there. All these gurus are talking about, oh, you can't drop ship on Amazon, you can't do this, blah, 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 blah. All these things that they don't know about because they don't do it, or they're too lazy to find out, or better yet, they've never even sold on Amazon or took the time to look at the terms of service. All right, so first off, the elephant in the room. Yes, you can drop ship on Amazon. Now, you can't drop ship from big box retailers like Walmart, Target, blah, 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 those type of places. But you can drop ship on Amazon as long as you are the seller of record and you basically take ownership of everything from start to finish. Now, you're not going to be getting your products from big box retailers. You're going to be getting them from suppliers, and we go over that inside of our training. And we teach you how to do that from start to finish. But that's besides the point. That we got that out the way. So how are you guys going to go from $0 to $10,000? That's a lot of money. That is a lot of money every month. And it seems like an impossible task because you're like, oh, I got to spend like $3,000 to get my, my private label product sent to Amazon, and I have to do this and this and this. And guys, it's not near the case. So first off, the easiest way to get from $0 to $10,000, the niche that is going to get you there, that got us there and getting a lot of our students there, is going to be, geek-related items, okay? Geek-related items, and then there's going to be pets, all right? So geek-related items, and then pets, and then children/baby. Those are the three things that we sell in, okay? Those are the three things that we sell in. And I can tell you firsthand, you can go from $0 to $10,000 a month, every single month, with any of these three. The one that I recommend for you guys to do is the geek niche, okay? That toys and games, clothing, things of that nature, okay? That right there, this one, the geek niche, is going to get you guys from $0 to $10,000, and I'm going to explain why. All right, so you guys are probably saying, oh, there's no way. This is why you're going to be able to do $10,000 a month with just one store. Probably even $15,000 with just one store, all right? And it's because people in this particular niche, inside the geek niche, and that's like the Super Mario Brothers and Pokemon and all that stuff, okay? They're super, super passionate about what they love. All right, they are super passionate. They do not mind waiting the 10 to 14 days for their product to get there. Now, there's a lot of different variables, like what kind of bundles you're going to be presenting to your customers. But with the right bundles and things of that nature, you are, without a doubt, going to do 5 figures a month. Guys, it is the easiest niche to get into by far. This niche right here, you will make money, all right? Like, you will make money. Like, as a new beginner, you will make money. Guys, we have a ton of products listed inside of our course. Tons of products listed that you can literally pick up and sell same day. You join the course, there are tons of products for you to take a look at, start listing, and start making money same day. Want to know how we know? Because they're products that we sell, products that we've sold, and products that we know sell. I've done the research on them. We sell these products, guys. You will make money. There is no doubt about it. That niche right there will guaranteed make you money. You will be able to go from $0 to $10,000 a month, probably within 120 days. Maybe even less if your account gets audited and you can start listing a little bit more in certain categories. Guys, it's a no-brainer. You will make money with that niche. Now, when it comes to pets is a little more complicated because the competition is a little bit more fierce. But people are extremely passionate about their pets. You guys know I'm not even a cat person, but I have, you know, a little furry friend. All right. So through a series of events, I ended up getting this cat that's walking around or whatever. You might even hear it. People are very passionate about their pets. They will spend a lot of money, guys. All right. They will spend money. You can probably do anywhere from $2,000 to $4,000 your first month. This is drop shipping. This isn't FBA. Like, people are passionate about their pets, and the offers that you should be giving are like a higher ticket item. You know, something like, you know, comfortable dog beds, and then you can do like a dog leash or something with them to bundle that together and you know, give a presentable offer to your customers. You know, things like that are guaranteed to get you sales. Like, stop thinking that you're going to go into a crowded niche, you know, and not be able to provide value and make some money. It's just stupid. Real stupid. Now, the baby niche, kids and babies, stuff like that. Now, kids and babies is a little bit more complicated than the other two because you have to find certain things that people are going to be looking for. Now, parents such as myself, you know, we like, I have daughters and a son, but you know, he's just in like gym clothes and LeBron James sneakers and stuff like that. My daughters, you know, they're very prissy. They like, you know, the whole feel good, dress me up type deal. And that's what I do. So I don't mind taking the extra time to find something that suits them. So you're going to have to kind of cater to parents on different spectrums. So some parents don't care. Some parents just want to, you know, get something, you know, nice for their kids. Other parents, such as myself, are going to take the time to kind of craft their child's image and the things that they want them to play with. Like, I don't necessarily want my, you know, my kids, you know, when they're, you know, younger, just running around playing with, you know, action figures all day long. Like, I want them to enrich their minds. I want toys that are going to teach them. And so those are some of the things you're going to have to think about when you are, you know, presenting your offers, when you're selling your products. Granted, you know, you're going to be able to make money either way. You know, it's a little bit more difficult to cater to the people that don't necessarily care, because that's a specific set of people who are just like, yeah, whatever, you know, they can take it or leave it. They're not near as passionate as others. You know, now the people that really care, obviously they're super passionate and they're going to spend the money. So you can craft offers with items that are more expensive. Guys, you know this story. I bought these ridiculous baby moccasins that are, you know, on sale. They're like $30 a pair. On sale. Usually they're $50, $60 a pair. I was buying these like every week for my youngest daughter. It's just blowing money. Like, bringing in Amazon money, I'm just selling it. Just burning money, just buying stuff. And yeah, this is definitely not what you should be doing. Like, you don't want to be burning through all your profits. You don't want to be burning through hundreds and hundreds of dollars on like little baby moccasins. But yeah, guys, so that's how you're going to go from $0 to $10,000. Like, I'm telling you, that is how you can do it and how you will do it. Those three. Now, there's other niches you can sell in. Like, home and garden is actually pretty good. It can be hit or miss depending on your product range, you know. But it doesn't matter because you're drop shipping, guys. Doesn't matter. You're private label drop shipping. If something doesn't sell, it may not sell this season, but it could sell next season. So you don't have anything to worry about. While all these other FBA only guys, like, if their product tanks, that's all they have. You're gonna still be selling. You're still gonna be selling. You're still gonna be making money. Their product tanks, they're gonna be sitting there in those forums crying and whining and all these things. I promise you, if you go in our Facebook group, nobody's whining about products that they can't sell. Nobody. Not a single person. Not a single person. Our student group, nobody's complaining that they can't sell. Nobody. Period. Point blank. Just putting that out there. So, guys, if you want to make money, and you want to make a lot of money, and you don't want to spend a lot of money to get into the game where you're spending $2,000, $3,000, like, how about like $300? That sounds a little bit more reasonable to the average person, right? Like, you guys could take your Christmas money and get into private label drop shipping and do pretty well for yourselves. And I just gave you the niches. And if you are in our course, guys, I just literally gave you products that you could sell. Like, It's so easy. Literally giving students products so that way they can sell and make some money. But that's just me. You know, that's just my thing. You know, I don't like people to go off to these like big gurus and think they're going to get value and mentorship and all this stuff, and they end up worse than what they are. Like, I'm telling you guys, this is how you're going to make money. I'm not being vague with it. All right? Not being vague. You will make money if you do this. Guaranteed. I've never had a single person not make any money selling in those niches. Like, you can take this as bait. So, that's what you guys are going to be doing. 0 to 10K. You want to go from 0 to 10K, you get in there, you sell in those niches. Especially the geek niche. Because people are super passionate. Super passionate. They're also, you know, big jerks when it comes to like action figures and stuff like that. Like, so, yeah, we go into detail in that in the training. But guys, I'm telling you, you get into those niches, you will make money. Period. There's no guessing. I'm not going to beat around the bush and be like, okay, well, you guys might be able to do this. No. You sell those things, you're good to go. Period. So if you want to make a lot of money, hey, Q4 is right around the corner. And you guys can make a lot of money. Like, I don't doubt, if you guys start now, if you get in now, and you get your listings up, you know, you get a little traction, some of you guys will probably be doing 5 to 10K within your first 45 days. And you're not going to be doing that, you know, spending $3,000 up front to, you know, get your product, do viral launch, spend, you know, $100 a day on PPC that you guys don't even know how it works. So that's what's up. Letting you guys know, 0 to 10K, let's do it. You guys want to get on that gravy train, selling those things, promise you, you'll make money. Those niches right there will make you money every time. 0 to 10K. Probably even more, but as a beginner, you can expect to see a few $1,000s. Period. You can take that to the bank. So, as always, guys, man, hope you enjoyed the content. You know, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You know, we do this for you guys. We do it for you. You know, I mean, there's really no other reason why we put out content. Because it's not for us. We already know what we're doing. You know, we have day jobs, man. We're engineers. Like, we'd be doing some boring stuff right now. But instead, we're interacting with you guys because we love doing it. So, that's how you go from 0 to 10K dropshipping on Amazon. Remember that. All right? That's exactly what you're going to do. You're going to get in those niches and you're going to sell products. Like, hit us up. I'll help you guys out. I answer questions all the time. I answer questions all the time, like all day long. So, yeah. With that being said, peace out, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Get on that gravy train. Start selling. Start making money. Don't sit around. Please, please, please take action. Please. Don't just sit around and not make any money. All right? Peace out.